You know, you're gonna just jerk around and do fake stuff like that. Okay. I don't want the phone real close to my mouth. So if I like to stand back from the phone, so if we're not talking. Okay, so listen, don't start touching me. Don't start touching me. Hey, do I have to? Don't. You're touching me. This guy's touching me. So I have to go or what? What were the or what?
Your behavior.
You're not asking me. You're not ordering me to leave. Am I being ordered to leave? I'm not being ordered to leave. Will you get off of me? If you ordered me to leave, I will leave. If I'm here, I'm just trying to put my coat on, dude, and stuff. Yeah, well, and you're standing on top of stuff. You guys have been touching me and stuff. I didn't even know this press stuff was here, man.
Well, give me the
you know, you did before you did that. Okay.
Stand over here.
And so I got to figure out where I'm going. Yeah, I know that. And you're like, I got to get my coat on. You told me you got out of there before.
There you go.
I'm gonna figure out where I'm going, man. You know. All right, so man, I didn't even know this was going on. I had no idea this was going on. I'm gonna go. Here, Jesus Christ! I guess I can see my press or something for you guys. Huh? There we go. So you can scan there. I'm going far away here. Yeah. You guys are still on me. Where's the audience going to stand? You don't answer me. Where's the audience going to stand?
There's no audience.
There's no audience. Okay, well there is.
You're going to be all the way down there.
Yeah, and where's the press stand? The press stand's there. People need to be a little bit away. Don't stand on top of me like that.
Go down there.
Yeah, what?
Go ahead down there.
What's your name and badge number?
Leary. 1243.
Okay.
What's your name?
Why do you want to know my name?
Because we're having a conversation.
You want to know my name for friendly conversation, but you've been standing on top of me during the plague. You're not going to stand back. You think that I'm not working, okay? This is your job. You're supposed to identify yourself.
Already did.
And I got this guy creeping on. What's your name and badge number? What's your name and badge number?
4022.
And what's your name? Don't touch me. Don't start touching me. Don't. Why we don't? That's not an order. Give me an order. I don't want to. I don't want to.
It's an order. How's that?
What's an order?
Go down to the
Say it.
Come on.
What?
We gotta go down here.
You want me to?
We gotta go down here.
Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Don't start grabbing me.
You gotta leave. You gotta leave.
Just walk.
Okay, that's an order, right?
Yes, an order.
Okay, so
You gotta leave.
all right. So how far?
All the way down.
I was not. I was gonna come out here. I'm gonna sit with these guys then. What's the matter with you? I want to sit near people, but sorry, I sit somewhere. Huh. Dude, it's like nasty, man.
Okay.
You're doing it again. I want to just be in a public space where I'm allowed to be, where the public
We gotta
is.
have a press conference.
We got the
We
public.
can't do it if you're here.
You can't. If I'm, where does the public stand? I want to understand where the public stands.
Back in the sun.
In the sun. Okay, there's the sun right there. I'll stand right here in the sun. If I go, I'd like to go over there. Now you're following me more. You're doing
I'd
more.
like to talk to you. And it's not. You're not going to bother anything, right? You're going to give me your word. You're not going to.
No, I'm not answering questions.
Okay.
You're gonna give me your word. You're not gonna do
Because
like
if it's not a disturbance,
whatever.
you're going to get arrested.
Yeah, and if you two things, you know, you're not supposed to do, you get in trouble.
long as you don't
like,
stop
like
us,
you know, you
we're
don't
not
just
gonna
like
do anything.
insult me with directives. You don't go up to other people and just tell them they're gonna get arrested if they do something. You know, I'm not breaking the law here. I'm not breaking the law here. You have been hassling me and harassing me. I wanted to come out here and just sit in the sun. I wasn't sure what I'm gonna do. I didn't even know this thing was going on. You guys have been doing nothing but harassing me because you're upset about the sign. You guys are just liars, you know. Look at that. It's all about the sign. You don't wait, hold on. You what? You
I don't care about your sign.
You don't care about my sign. Do you care about the
No, I
sign?
don't
This is
care
about the
what you
sign.
say.
It's not about the sign.
As
Is
long
this
as you
about
don't
the sign?
Try to disrupt the
You
proceedings.
say this isn't about the sign, but you've been touching me. You've been like getting on me, you know, and you say it's not about the sign. I was just standing there quietly. We got this all on video,
Okay, very good.
and you're just lying. You know, of course it's about the sign. They say it's not about the sign.
today, sir?
That-
Good?
No, they say it's not about the sign. Nothing. I have to go, you know, and they've been touching me, pushing me, and then they say it's nothing to do with the sign. See, that's why I got to hold my ground, because you claim there's nothing to do about the sign. You know, I'm going to, you know, feel really bad later if I don't have it. That's why I asked for an order. Where do I have to go? You understand? At least you got to do that,
Okay,
right?
can
You
you listen
know
to
what
me?
I mean,
Can you
right?
listen to me?
You know, if you're going to say it's not about the sign, you got to, you know, I need to get
Can you
this
listen to me?
on video. Like, no, there's nothing to listen to. It's
If you have no...
Listen
Wait, I don't want to listen to him.
sergeant.
If you have
Listen
no...
to him.
I gotta
Listen
go.
to the sergeant. I don't need to listen to anything. I need to be left alone. It's not a police state. Right.
We're asking people to stay home if possible, practice social distancing,
It's a cute, see?
wash your hands,
Nasty.
warm hot water, as well as hand sanitizer throughout the day if you can do that. We want you to cover your mouth with your cough, with your sneeze. We want people,
I live like a block and a half where I grew up. You know, my daughter, she fights the same kids. Gets in little, like, same little scraps, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? My daughter grew up. Like, we're like a block and a half away from him where he grew up.
Oh, yeah?
I lived there, yeah. I took it in the middle of it. Yeah, everything else. I know what's going on, you know?
Alrighty.
My daughter argues with the same kids. It's kind of funny. Same families, you know what I mean?
Side door. Side door's open, yeah.
For those people feeling stressed, I encourage you to focus on contributions that you can make, including social distancing. Also, one thing that was told to me yesterday,
Oh, yeah.
I was asked when I eat it, which I hadn't
So
done.
far, so good.
Drinking water, so stressing people, drink water.
Ron, yeah. Yeah.
Those are little things that people
Go home.
can do. I encourage you to share messages of comfort and support to each other. By phone call.
Friend of yours?
It's something that's really important to do. Everyone definitely has a clear purpose in the effort that we're going through. To update you today, these are numbers as of yesterday. We have 45 cases, positive cases from the virus in Boston.
Because
Expect more state updating numbers.
they did, the Boston police, Dan Connolly, you know, did a major rape cover-up. All these girls were getting raped. Like, they get lured out to parties in West Roxbury
But Dave
by
Foley's
those people.
not around anymore.
Yeah, that's right. This might be one of the reasons why he didn't stay in. I think it is. That's why the Boston Latin School headmaster and assistant headmaster had to resign. They couldn't be deposed under oath. The stuff I left at that school, they couldn't be deposed.
No, we shouldn't have to sign like that. That's wrong. They're doing their job.
Who's doing what job? You don't know. So who's doing what job? Who's doing?
Policemen, they're doing a job.
You say they're doing their job.
They're doing it.
Okay. Sorry about that. If they weren't doing their jobs, you just ask. They'll be like, "Good, man." You know, you're doing your job, man. He'd sell you out too, man. And when you need it, you need something, you know, like it was politically, you know, he'd sell you out, you know. If it ever turns, all the fear, you know. Disgusting. You know, you guys need to stop standing next to me.
City Hall services, the city has 18,000 employees that provide critical service to people of Boston. Some of those services include regulated services necessary for residents to stay safe and healthy, and city functioning at a basic level. like public safety and traffic. So we're gonna keep the city moving in
Yeah.
as far as we can to make sure we continue to do basic crucial city services that
This
are out
is-
there. Emergency services people need right now in crisis, like food access and senior outreach. Our HR commission continues to do that. Employees this week, with regard to having, informing departments about who should be working from home, and many are doing so now. By the end of today or tomorrow, everyone will know who should be working from home. Some of those folks that are working from home, we might need to deploy them out to the city to do something, but we're working through this as we speak right now. We'll put plans in place for staggered hours, for some who must maintain critical operations. I was walking around the building today, some of those windows that we have downstairs, that do birth certificates and tax collection, things like that. And I thank the folks that work in there and maintaining operations is critical. Public health and public safety, trash recycling. As I mentioned last night, I think I might have made a little bit of a mistake, but I'm gonna clarify it right now. Street cleaning, we will not be ticketing or towing for street cleaning purposes. So as we go around and that was a question from the asked, I can tell already. As we go around the city, with street cleaning starts, I believe, next week. So you're gonna see street cleaners out there. Obviously, the nominee is for curb, because a lot of cars on them, but we're gonna do our best to keep the street clean. Parking, we're gonna continue to clean parks, and we're gonna continue to service our food access and our children families. Our election department remains open. It's a function that's important for us to move forward. Our procurement department remains open. We have essential and emergency support for our seniors, for our veterans, for our immigrant community, for our homeless community, and for our children. City Hall remains open. We discourage anyone from coming in unless they have urgent need for services that cannot be done online. So we're asking people if you potentially can do that. I would truly appreciate that. For families and children, as we started yesterday, free meals are available for families every weekday morning from 8:30 to 11:30 at sites across the city. Those VPS students that were sent home have the information, but anything, the members looking for information, you can go to the city, the website at boston.gov to see what the amounts were. Yesterday, we served 1,360 meals. We have the tools. The Boston Public School.org/coronavirus. And I want to thank the press again because you're putting this information on the newscast for families, so thank you for doing that. It's big. For seniors, our HR commission is reaching out to every available channel, to our buildings, service providers, phone calls in multiple languages. We're working to continue in-home service that many seniors rely on, including groceries and Meals on Wheels. Nursing homes and assisted living facilities are not allowing visitors. It's important that we adhere to that. Some people I know I'm hearing that are concerned they can't go into their parents or their loved ones, but really it's for the safety of their parent or loved one that these rules are put in place. And it's important that anyone who's interacting with a senior or somebody that's sick take precautions. We can't stress enough washing with soap and warm water, sanitizing, disinfecting not just work areas but doorknobs and areas that the public touches, and keeping a distance is really important. We're also hearing concerns about food access. Most of the food pantry sites seniors use are still up and running, using a grab-and-go package with special precautions around social distancing and cleaning. So as our food pantries are seeing an increase in people using them, we're going to be putting in different types of rules so that we don't have too many people in a certain space. And again, that's another, I'm asking people to get to be patient as we're seeing a realistic change in front of us. If seniors have an issue with food access, we want you to please reach out to 311. Many seniors have to contact directly for our HR commission or reach out directly to HR commission. Those of you that might be listening and not sure what HR commission is, our HR commission is our office for older Bostonians. So if you have not been connected there and you call, that office is specifically there for you, so we want you to access that office and use that office. If you have any questions or concerns, as I said, the best number if you're looking for a question or a concern, 311. We'll have extra call takers, so we're going to be able to handle the volume.